What's up with him?
He wants a kiss like other mothers give their sons.
What mothers? Who does she think she is anyway? Miss Perfect.
No, she's not. She doesn't even know my name.
You see? She doesn't.
She called Ebube Kanayo.
Why would she do that?
Says she has a lot of things to think about.
So much so that she cannot even remember my boy's name. Okay now. I too shall forget her children's name. Yes. I shall ignore them.
What's this I'm getting? I walk through the door and you jump down my throat?
What do you mean jump down your throat, Issa? This is the third time you're coming home at past midnight this week.
I will see you later.
Don't tell me to shut up.
Ebube, why did you say food will be late?
Lily says his mother said you're always late.
This burnt offering won't get you out of the dog's cage.
I was only trying to be an always earlier wife.
Sorry, madam. I'll call back for this later.
No, don't worry. It's okay.
Madam, is there anything wrong?
No. My husband worked overnight. I left my phone here. Have you seen it?
Here, madam.
Thank you. Holika.
Yes.
Please, tell the children that their father left pretty early. Yeah. I don't want them to worry. Yeah. Thank you.
So how many bundles will you be needing? I can get you 10. I can get you 10. Yeah, when can you come and pick them up? Tomorrow is fine. Yeah, well, we'll be home anytime from, say, 12 noon. So you can come anytime from 1. Okay, alright. No problem at all. Okay, alright, thanks very much. Okay, bye. Yes!
What is it, woman? Ah, can't somebody just read this paper in peace?
I had just concluded a big sale.
Hey, good for you. I hope they are paying.
Cash.
Up you. Ah, that means you might not need my soft loan after all.
That was not the deal, you promised.
Okay. Ah, I was just pulling your legs. We men, you want everything. Can never have enough. Hello? Yeah, Ambrose. Oh my God. How bad is it? How many casualties? Okay. I tell you what, Ambrose. You've done okay? I'll be there in the next 1 or 2 hours. You just continue to hold the fort till I reach. Yes, just make sure there's enough cash on hand. Alright? Yeah, I'll soon be with you. Okay. Well done.
No, what is it?
There a factory caught fire last night.
Chineke, I hope nobody died.
Thankfully, not yet. But the foreman said some people were severely burnt while they were trying to put out the fire. In fact, they are in intensive care right now.
Hey, whoa, Jehovah, Chukumelu Mebele. Hey, what, the factory, what is the extent of the damage?
They say it's really bad. The entire west wing gone.
Hey, whoa.
Why are you crying?
What is this?
Anyways, it's okay. It is okay. Huh? It's okay.
Hey.
Daddy, what did you do to mommy?
I'm fine. There's been a fire accident in Daddy's factory.
Did plenty people die?
No, baby, thank God, no one died.
Okay.
Hey,
I'm sorry.
what kind of thing is this?
I'm sorry.
Sorry, Daddy.
Yeah, thanks, son. I'm off.
What? How long do you think you'll be gone for?
I can't really say until I get there. Well, see you soon, wifey. And boys, take very good care of your mom, okay?
Yes, Dad.
And you. I hope you've not forgotten what we talked about.
Yes, Dad.
What did you guys talk about?
Strictly from you.
When was this?
When men talk.
See why? So you're the one encouraging these boys to
Shh. That's the way to get them to stop. Let's go.
Bye, Dad.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'll see you later. Yeah.
Mom.
Hey, baby.
What's going on?
What do you mean?
Where is Dad? Why didn't he come home last night?
Didn't Polycarp tell you?
Dad has never left this house without saying hello to me. Why are you lying? Where's my father?
Baby, I don't know. I mean, I've been calling his mobile all morning. It's switched off.
Shouldn't we call the police or something? Or aren't you worried?
Of course I'm worried. I haven't slept all night. And I've been calling his phone all day.
Have you called the service?
Yes, I have. But it's Saturday, remember? There's no one there.
There has to be something we can do. Can't we call someone?
Baby, your dad will be upset with us if we fuss just because he didn't come home for one night. What if we call it people and then he walks in? We'll be embarrassed. And your dad will not like it. Sweetheart, you know your dad has been working overtime lately. I'm sure he'll walk through that door any minute from now. Let's just give him some time. I mean, it won't be nice for us to worry people unnecessarily, would it?
Did you people quarrel? Or are you getting a divorce?
Baby, come. No. Come sit down. Come. Sit. Your dad and I are fine. Okay?
So, why did you lie?
I didn't want to alarm you and your brother. Look, if your daddy does not get back this evening, we'll start making calls, alright? Okay?
Okay, Mom.
And I want you to do something for me. I want you to keep an eye on Sam. Make sure he doesn't worry. That's my boy.
Mom,
Yes, baby.
are you and Dad okay?
Yes, baby. Your dad and I are fine. Okay?
Mommy, are those people going to die?
No, I honestly hope not.
And if they die, will they go to heaven?
They won't die.
Jesus will heal them.
Yes, Jesus will heal them.
Mom, Mom, will Jesus take their spirit like he took Mama's spirit?
No, he will not take their spirits. You see, Grandma was old and tired, and so Jesus came to take her to rest.
Won't they go to heaven?
No, they won't.
Because they are bad people.
No, because they are young.
But
You are always asking questions too much. Can't you keep quiet for 1 minute?
leave me alone.
Ebube, Biko, leave your brother alone.
But I didn't do anything to him.
Listen, I cannot stand you people's stress right now. Why don't you guys take your football and go and ask Sam and Daddy to play outside?
Okay, Mom. Alright, BK, let's go.
Mommy, Ebube, call me a big head.
Sorry, my dear, don't mind him. Ebube, please stop. I really don't want to hear you guys fighting today, okay? Because if you do, I'll be very upset with you, okay?
Okay. happened if you pass the ball now? What's the matter?
Sorry.
We didn't see you at just checking yesterday. We did not go.
Why? Is your dad too busy today as well?
My dad did not come back home last night.
That's not true. He traveled.
He did. Then how come he did not tell us?
Because they are such you can talk too much.
My dad always comes back home, except he's traveled out of town.
Well, my dad is a manager in a big company and he has a lot of work to do.
But he'll not come back now.
He will come back. Let's play ball.
Mom, it's today Christmas.
Yes, Daddy's coming early.
No wonder.
No wonder what. You boys are better go and watch if you want any of my rice. Hello? My sweet darling, where are you? Oh, Cyril, why now? Oh, I've made myself all beautiful for you. I've cooked coconut rice. Oh my God. Oh, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. When's the burial? What about the families? Oh. So when are you coming home? I had plans. Okay. Okay, bye, sweet.
Mommy, is God going to take all the people to heaven now?
What is with you going to heaven? Do you want to go there now?
Mom!
Mom, the rice is burning.
Mom!
What?
The rice!
Oh my God.
Gambling. Blackmail. What does he need all this money for? God, is he in trouble? Why thought. Isa, where are you? Isa, where are you? Come in.
Madam, you've had nothing all day.
Oh, Paula, can put the food on the table. Thank you. Are the children still outside playing?
Yes, madam. Do I go and get them?
No. Take their minds off things.
No word yet from master?
I'm sure he'll walk through the door any minute from now. All right? Polycarp, I don't need the food. I'm going to the gym. All right?